Hey guys, me Blaine. I'm back again, and today I have a couple more. I'm going to change up a little bit. I'm going to add some more ambient lighting to the inside of my car, and my friends from EV Base sent me a couple of things, so let's take a look at it and see what we got. Start off with, I have some a kit here. These are your footwell lights, okay, and I got blue, but they're just a little bit different. So I got 4 of them here. It looks like it also comes with your little pry tool that I'll need to be able to take them out. I'll show you how to do those. Taking out these lights here are pretty simple, and it really adds some cool ambient lighting. I got the 2026 Tesla Model Y, the Juniper edition, and with my the original lights that come in here, they're kind of like a light white color. So you can put different colors in here. You can put red, you can put blue, you can put different colors in here. So anyways, we're going to try these ones out, and later on tonight when it gets dark, I'm going to see how bright they are and see how good they look. So something I'm going to try. I'm going to switch these out here in a little bit. Next thing I got here from EV Base is this kit, and what it is this lighting kit. Has some instructions right there, and what it is, I'm going to put a light right through here, okay? And this light, you can I believe you can make it different colors, different things like that. You're going to have to download an app, okay? So then that way you can change the colors, you can do different things with it. But anyways, I'm going to install that in here, and they have multiple kits. Like, I only have the one single light that goes right here. They have other ones that come down through here. You can put in here on both sides, down through here, up over here. And this one here, like I said, it only has the one single strip, which is right there. But you can have them where you can have multiple ones plugged in at the same time. This one here is the single one. It does come with the USB port here, where I'm going to plug it into my glove box. That's where it's going to get its power. This is how it's going to get the power to the strip right here. And then this is I think this is going to be called like a transmitter part or something like that. I'm not exactly sure of this, but it is supposed to be needed. And then here's the tape I'm going to use for the strip itself to put up in there. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started and install this stuff. So I guess the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my dashboard piece off right here so I can get up in there to install this light. And it's pretty simple to take this thing off. I have another cover that goes right here, so I'm just going to take it off first. Well, actually, I'm not even going to take it off because it is kind of stuck on there. There we go. All right. Simply going to put that out of the way. So one thing I'm going to do here is I have a second monitor over here, and underneath is a little gap, and I'm going to lay this strip right on top of this. There's different places you could put this and whatever, but I'm going to put it right underneath here. I'm going to see if I can fish it under there. There we go. And then when you go to put this on there, I'm going to end up having to put some tape on here, okay? I'm going to use this piece right here, but I just want to line it up right now and take a look and see what I'm looking at. It doesn't quite go all the way to one end, but I will tell you that you can line it up pretty close, so it's from the very end to the very end over there, and it looks like it's off by about 2 inches on each side, so that's fine. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to put some tape under this, and it's going to hold it down in place right there. But before I do that, I'm going to run my wires right here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take off this cover right here. I'm going to take off this trim work so I can get that cover off. Kind of go about like that right there. There we go. Set that out of the way. And the next thing I'm going to do is I got this little clip right here. I'm going to pull this guy out because I'm going to send my wire right down between it there. There we go. I'm just gonna take that out carefully. Set that up here out of the way. I'm gonna send my wire down so it comes out right here. So you have different options when you go to plug these things in, but if I had one that had the multiple outs, okay, different lights and everything, then I would have to run this down somewhere up under here because that's where I'd plug into different cords. But like I said, this one here only has one single light. It goes straight from here. I can come down and I can actually take it straight to my glove box. I can hide all the wires in here. I plug all this stuff in, can keep everything right in here, and that would work. There's no reason why I don't have to. I could stuff the wires in here and only have one thing come in here. I have different choices here. I know I'm going to need to use this right here to plug it in. And I'm going to go ahead and plug that in first. And then we're going to test it before I start plugging, putting everything in place. Okay, got that in. Next thing is I got to do this, what I'm going to call this little dongle, this little converter right here. I'm going to plug this one into here like that. I want to plug this one into the adapter, and then I will plug this thing in. Make sure you line up the grooves. All right, and I can see the light is already working. All right, so let's see here. There you go. So yeah, you can change the colors and everything right through the app here. Put it on purple, whatever that light blue is. Here's my dark blue right here. So there you go. Got it working all the way through. And really, that is all it is. So now, all I got to do is I'm going to fish some of these wires back up in there. That way I don't leave so many wires inside the glove box. And then I'm going to put some tape on this, tape it down, put the dash back on, and be done with it. And then all I got to do is turn it on right here. And hopefully that when the power turns off on the car, the lights will go off. And when the car gets turned back on, hopefully the lights come back on. If not, you just have to use the app. You can have this go with the music and everything. It can flash and do all that kind of stuff. But anyways, we're just going to leave it right here for now and get back to this. Got the cable stuffed up in there. Pull this out a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and put this clamp or this little clip back in here. Just like that. Okay. And now all I got to do is I want to put some adhesive on here and tape this guy down right along here. And then we'll check it out. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and install this guy back on. So I'm going to line it up with that vent right there. And right now, because I have that second monitor right there, I can't just put one long strip on there and do it. So I'm just going to put a couple pieces here and take it down there, and it'll hold it just fine. It's not like it's going anywhere. Go do my other side. All right, now that I got it installed, put the dashboard cover back on. Make sure it all gets lined up good. All the way down through there. Looks good. Very simple. Just gonna add a little bit more color inside my car. And that was it. Okay, so that was very easy to install that light strip across there. nothing to it. It's pretty simple to put it in there. We can change the colors in the app. I want to play around with that later on, see what I think about it. But right now, we're going to go on and move into the footwell lights. I want to replace those real quick. It shouldn't take that long. And then we'll take a look at everything tonight. Once you get the lights to come out, get the cord to come out with it. When I took it out, my light came disconnected, so now I got to pull this thing down just a little bit so I can get up in there, get that cable sitting right there. All right, I'm just going to plug it in, make sure it works. There we go. Very bright. Very nice. All right. And I think while I'm here, I can go ahead and stick it in there. Got it through the hole, and then it just simply clicks up in there like that, and that's it. And then all you gotta do, push this cover back up in there, and there's your light. Nice and bright blue light. Very good. Do the rest. Do the same thing over here on the driver's side. There we go. There we go. Push the light back up in there. There we go. Got it in there. Got it done. All right, got the footwell lights installed. The kit that I got did come with 4. So 1, if those are the only 2 places you want to put them, then they go bad. You got 2 more. I believe you can put these, I think in your center console here. There's a couple other places that you can put these same lights at. And then once again, you got blue lights. I believe even underneath the doors, you can use the same lights in there. They all fit, work just fine, but I'm just going to install the 2 in the front. That's all I wanted it for, along with that center line, or the center light going across the front there. And anyways, got it installed. Once again, this is from EV Base. If this is something you're interested in, these items, you can just go click on in the description down below, and it'll take you straight there. Make sure you use my discount code and save yourself some money. They have lots of different ones, lots of different kits and stuff. But anyways, I'm going to come back tonight, and we're going to take a look at these lights and see what we think about them then. All right, got the lights installed. You can see the footwell lights there. And that light up underneath there is so bright. It's pretty cool. Let's take a look here. See, here's the app. Got the app on my phone. You hit blue. Look at that. Whatever color you want to put it at. Ain't that cool? Look at that. I think it really, really looks good with that extra light on there. And then the footwell lights looking pretty blue. Although, honestly, I wish they were a little bit darker blue. But it is what it is. There you go. Well, there you go. Okay, so the lights are installed. I mean, you can do whatever color you want once you download the app. And I mean, like, you can play it so it bounces with your music and syncs in with all that stuff, just like your other lights in your car. Once again, I have a 2026 Tesla Model Y, the Juniper edition. And hey, that one light is pretty simple. I mean, I like it. And eventually I'm going to add more lights in here. I think this thing's going to be really, really cool. I love the way my car is going. I love the yoke. I love all the rest of the lights and the white interior and all that stuff. I really, really like the way everything's going. So, hey guys, if this is something you're looking for, once again, it's from EV Base. The link is down below. Click on it. Make sure you use my discount code TeslaB and save some money. All right, guys. Be safe out there. Have fun. And most of all, keep driving. Check you later. Peace.